Hello everyone. Today we will introduce Selecting Images and Tie Points operation in LiDAR 360. Selecting images and tie points is usually recommended after completing the Align process. The functionalities included are these. On the right side of the Filter Select group, you can choose either image or tie points. Images. This represents the photo locations, shown as larger dots in the image below. After completing Align, a pyramid structure will be generated under each point, with the photos displayed at that location with transparency. Typically, we delete low-quality image points, such as a series of overlapping photos taken during the drone's takeoff with little angle variation. Tie points. These are the smaller, colorful points shown in the image below, generated after Align is completed. In the project window on the top right of the interface, you can right-click the LIAP file and select View Mode to switch the display mode. Typically, we delete inaccurate tie points. Further guidance on assessing tie point quality is provided later. Click the Polygon Selection button to enable the Polygon Drawing tool. Clicking the small triangle next to it will open a drop-down menu where you can select other drawing tools. After selecting a drawing tool, you can draw in the viewer by left-clicking to set nodes, right-clicking to undo, and double left-clicking to finalize the range. Once the range is determined, the selected images or tie points within the range will be highlighted in red. After making the selection, you can click the Delete button to delete the selected images or tie points. Click the Invert Selection button to reverse the selection, or click the Cancel Selection button to deselect. You can also click the Subtract Selection button and use the drawing tool again to modify the selection range. Using these tools, you can easily delete poor quality images. For the large number of dense tie points, we also provide a batch filtering tool. Click the Filter Tie Points button to filter tie points by attributes. You can choose which attribute to filter by in the Select By option, with reprojection error being the most commonly used. The slider below can be dragged to the right to select more tie points with higher errors for deletion. However, ensure that the remaining tie point density isn't too low, as this could affect the DOM's quality. After filtering the images and tie points, click the Update Alignment button to save the filtered results to the IAEP file, which will take effect in the Align and Mosaic processes. That concludes the introduction to selecting images and tie points. Thank you for watching.